design enthusiasts. Join us on a cozy and chic home tour as we explore 8 stunning American-style living rooms that are all about comfort and charm. No over-the-top glitz here, just pure laid-back luxury. Los Angeles, where upper-middle-class families are embracing a fusion of modern vibes with classic American touches. Think sleek wooden furniture, clean lines, and tall, green plants that bring life to every corner. It's all about simplicity that speaks volumes. Where plush sofas are ready to give you the coziest embrace ever. Trendy wooden coffee tables create a warm and natural vibe, while the white walls bring an air of spaciousness. The color palette is all about the clean elegance of white, with wooden accents and lush greenery stealing the show. Flashy extravagance, just the perfect blend of comfort and style that embodies the contemporary American spirit. Now, we're not here to dazzle you with chandeliers and bling. These living rooms are all about those modern spotlights that give a soft glow. And let's not forget the large, high windows that flood the space with glorious natural light, making every moment feel fresh and uplifting. If you're enjoying this tour as much as we are, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. Join our community of interior design enthusiasts.